Hey guys, it's your girl Danita. I'm here today to do another review, and today we'll be doing a review on the iRobot Roomba that I purchased. I just got it probably 2 weeks ago, and this is the 600 series. I believe I have the 675. So when I opened it up, I was impressed because it was bigger than I thought it would be. I'd been thinking about buying a Roomba for actually a few years, but was just not ready to pay the price on it. And I'm the type of person that when a new product comes out, I like to let everyone else get the kinks out of it, let the company get the kinks out of it based on the reviews and everything. So that's another reason why I kind of wait for new items to come out. But anyway, I ordered it from Amazon. It came in. As I said, it was bigger than I thought. It comes with the actual robot vacuum, a docking station, and I'll show you that in a minute, guys. And then you load it onto your phone, the app, so you can work the system. So I put the app on my iPhone. Comes up like that, iRobot. Of course, you have to have Wi-Fi so it'll work. It'll let you know that it's ready to clean and that it's fully charged. And then to get it started, you'll just hit clean. I'm right in front of it right now, so I don't want to hit it right now. I'm going to record it on the phone once I hit clean and show you what it does. You can set it up so it'll make a sound, so you'll know where it is as far as if you're trying to locate it or something like that, if it's in a separate room from you. And it'll let you do a schedule if you want to do it on every day of the week, but at like 9 a.m. I had it on the schedule, but I just do it manually because I don't want it to really vacuum every day, because I live in a townhouse and it's only vacuuming the bottom. So it's only doing the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So I'll just turn it on when I feel like it needs to be, vacuumed. And then I vacuum upstairs. One of the reasons why I bought the Roomba was because I have hardwood floors downstairs, and my back door, there's trees, and so there's always some type of leaves or something blowing in, and it's just almost impossible to keep clean or keep swept or keep vacuumed on a regular basis without it always seeming like it's something still there. So this thing, once I let it run, it really did. I mean, the floors look great. I'm very pleased with it. When you watch it, it looks like it's just all over the place, because once it bumps something, it'll rotate and go another direction. But if you let it run for the hour and a half that it's set to run, it ends up covering the whole area that you have it in. Of course, whatever's there is gonna avoid that, but anything as far as your open space or anything like that, it appears to hit every space. So enough with the talking, but I will show you that it comes with the warranty, and it comes with the owner's guide if you have any problems. I have not had any problems. It was very easy to set up, and I will move on to the demonstration. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Again, I have had it for 2 weeks, so if you'd like to know how I still like it in about 30 days, feel free to come back and ask me those questions. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be having more reviews. I think, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get me an Apple Watch. So I'll have an Apple Watch review coming up pretty soon as well. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Hit your notification buttons so you'll be notified when I have new videos coming up. And hit like. Please feel free to leave any comments as I stated below. That really helps the channel as well. I'll talk to you later, guys. I hope you enjoy the demonstration. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're here now for the demonstration. Here is the Roomba and the docking station. And as you can see, here's the button that says get it focused in. It says clean and dock. Let's see if we can get that focused in. No, it doesn't want to. One button that I haven't done was this spot. I don't know what that is. I'm going to try that. But it sits here and it docks, connecting the two here. And it charges up. And so, let me get my phone out. And now I hit the clean button. Okay guys, so that's the basics. Then he stays in this room for a minute with all the bumping. You see, to me it seems like he would make, when he should make left turns, he makes right and vice versa. But if that's his routine, I'll let him have it. But that's the basics of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Like I said, he'll run for about an hour and a half. The charger stay full that long. I don't know why I call him he, but that's what I call him. He vacuums, right? I did want to show you also though that when it's time to, if you wanted to stop before the battery runs out, you could also go onto your app and just tell it to go home, and it'll make a couple more rotations, and then it'll go ahead and send itself to the docking station. So I did want to add that part as well. This is him docking back because I sent him home. And then I'll show you how to clean the where the trash goes. Just push the button, and I believe I need two hands, guys. I need two hands. So this is the button you push, and then the filter's in there as well, and it comes with an extra filter as well. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Again, I have had it for 2 weeks, so if you'd like to know how I still like it in about 30 days, feel free to come back and ask me those questions. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be having more reviews.